Welcome, in front of me I have ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the moon. And this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable the mode, you can simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, getting highlighted basically. And then you can swipe up to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, you can open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again, tap on the check mark, and the mode will be disabled. You can tell by the icon going back to gray color. And of course you can close the quick panel by swiping up on the screen. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.